Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I can show you how to download your original audio drivers in your laptop and PC. In last video, I can show you 3 different settings to solve your audio problem in your laptop and PC. But if these 3 settings not work in your laptop, then make sure your laptop and PC audio drivers problem. Your audio drivers problem solve 100% if you do not skip any step of this video. Let's get start video now without wasting time. But if you are new viewers on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon. First of all, press Windows plus R key and type here MSINFO32 and press OK. Note down system manufacturer, system model and system type in your laptop. All kind of laptops and PCs. If you know these 3 things, then download your original audio drivers. After note these 3 things, first of all type here system manufacturer, second type here system model, and third type here system type, same like this picture. Open Google Chrome and type here first of all system manufacturer, system model, and last system type. After typing this, open first website. You can see that open official website of Dell laptop. Select option drivers download. Then you can see that operating system automatically selected. Select category audio. You want to download audio drivers. Make sure click all. Then easily click download and download your original drivers of your laptop. This method applied for all laptops and PCs. Don't worry, just find out 3 things: system manufacturer, system model and system type, and download your original drivers. After download your drivers, then click on it. Now easily install your laptop and PC. As you can see, when your audio drivers is installed, then make sure restart your laptop and PC once. After restarting, you can see that your audio problem in your laptop and PC fixed 100%. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Make sure subscribe my channel. Also like this video. Thanks for watching.